Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Farming Simulator 2025 game error Quilnod INIT 3D System Shader Model 6.0 is required. Guys, to solve this problem, first open up the Steam, then just click on the Farming Simulator game, then just click on the gear icon and go to your game properties. And here you will see the launch option, and in the launch option just type -dx11. And once you type this command, now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Still you have the error, then just type here -dx12. Now launch the game, then check, still not working, then just type here -d3d11. Now launch the game, then check, still you are getting the error, then just remove the launch option and just uncheck the box of Steam overlay while in game. Then launch the game, then check. Still you are getting the error, then just go to the installed files and click on the verify integrity of game files, and it will take some time, so just wait for it. Then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check, still not working, then just click on the browse option you are seeing on the top, and guys, locate your game launcher or exe file of your game. So just make a right click on your game launcher and go to its properties, then go to the compatibility tab, and here just uncheck this box and also uncheck this box and just check the box of administrator, then just click on apply. Now launch the game, then check, still you are getting there, then just check the box of disable full screen optimization, click on apply. Now launch the game, then check, still you are getting there, then just check the box of compatibility mode and choose it the Windows 8. Now click on the apply option. Now launch the game, then check. And if you are still getting there, then just uncheck this box and also uncheck this box, then just click on the apply, then just click on the OK. Now the next solution that you have to try is go to your Windows search, type here the updates and open it. Guys, make sure that your windows are updated and also make sure that your graphic card drivers are up to date. Once you update your Windows or graphic card driver, restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Now try all of the solution and hope one of these fix your problem, and if yes, please like this video and bye bye.